Hey, it's the HVAC guy, Kenny Brooks with Brooks Heating and Air. And today I'm here to talk to you about this little guy right here. It's called a hard start kit. So last week we talked about capacitors and how they store power and they get your motors going when the unit starts up. Well, a hard start kit is something that goes on a compressor. And what it does is it gives that compressor even a little bit more juice when it needs to get going. It helps compressors last longer. It helps them not start up so hard. And on older compressors, like if your air conditioner comes on and your lights are dimming or it's making a funny noise, this little guy installed for $289 can help solve that problem. But even on newer units, it helps them last longer. It makes it not so hard on startup. They're a great little product and they just give that unit the power that it needs. And sometimes on old units with dead compressors, these are like a defibrillator. It can bring them back to life. So if you're having issues with your air conditioner, it's dimming your lights, or you have a newer unit that you just want to make sure is running super efficiently, a hard start kit might be the right thing for you. If you have any questions, give us a call. And don't forget to follow us and like our page for more advice. Thanks. Have a great day.